Hello, I'm Milan. I've been a driving instructor for 26 years, and for the last 22 years I've been training people to become driving instructors. I've also co-produced and written training material that's used by driving instructors and learners across the UK. So this video is about mini roundabouts, and in particular why you must go around the roundabout and not over it. So common problems associated with driving over the roundabout instead of around it are it interferes with the progress of other road users. Their judgment to enter the roundabout is based on you taking the correct course. So there's often a misconception regarding the signs on the approach to the mini roundabout. The blue circular sign helps you identify where the roundabout is, but it's actually an order. It's a mandatory order to go around it. So if you remember, must do blue. So a blue sign is a must do. You must go around it. Mini roundabouts are sometimes painted flat. So sometimes for large vehicles, it's unavoidable. They have to go over it slightly. But wherever possible, you must aim to go around the roundabout. Okay, so let's go for a drive and we'll go and deal with some mini roundabouts. Okay, so we've got a mini roundabout coming up at the end of this road. So I'm going to be checking my mirrors. There's the blue sign up on the left there telling us to go around it. I'm signalling right. Now see how the postman cut across? It's made me kind of hold back. So that could have affected me if I was ready to emerge. I'm going to wait for this white car to go past. And when I go, I'm going around the roundabout. I'm going to be turning right again. So I'm gently braking, I'm checking if it's safe to go. It looks clear, so I'm going around the roundabout. If I'd cut across it, I may have interrupted the progress of that white BMW that was coming and joining from the other direction. I might have cut across his path. Again, I'm turning right at this one, so I'm checking the mirrors, signalling right, looking for a gap here. Just going to see where the black one's going. And again, I'm going to go around. If I hadn't, I might have made the silver van that came from our right, I probably would have made him brake or swerve to avoid us. Okay, so I'm going to be turning right at this mini roundabout. So I'm checking my mirrors, I'm signaling right, I'm making sure it's safe to go. I'm going to be going around the roundabout, not cutting across, because I could have made the grey car brake if I cut across that roundabout, or if anyone was coming out of this road here, I definitely would have made them slow or stop. Okay, so another mini roundabout coming up here. I'm going to be turning right, so I'm checking my mirrors, I'm getting my signal on. We can see the blue sign again. I'm going to be going around the roundabout here, making sure it's safe to go, and I'm going to go across this way. There we are. So if I cut across the roundabout, there was a black car coming from our right, I might have made him brake. So just a quick recap on today's drive. As you saw, I was going around the mini roundabouts and not cutting across them. If I had cut across, there are a few examples on the video where I could have impeded or interfered with the progress of traffic, either coming out of the junction on my right or for traffic coming across from ahead or from the left. That's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Please keep checking back on the channel. There's new videos being uploaded all the time.